Hi, so I'm Ravindra Nagpurkar and I've recently undergone a liver transplant here at the Ruby Hall. And though liver transplant मेरा हुआ है, इस सारे project की commander in chief has been my wife Deepika. So it's really been truly an experience in every sense of the word. And खैर transplant तो in itself is a very complicated surgery, but we or my wife put together this team, Manoj sir, Sushil sir, and we were very sure in terms of the competency of what they did. But the experience has absolutely surpassed all of that, right? Because आपको कब पता चलता है रियल टैलेंट का, कि जब आपको चैलेंजेस 1% 2% की केसेस जहाँ पे आपको पता नहीं होता है क्या करना है या आपने बहुत कम देखा होता है. एंड वाइल आई नॉट गेट इनटू ऑल ऑफ द मेडिकल डिटेल्स, एक 4-5 चीज़ें तो मेरे साथ ऐसी हुई जो डॉक्टर ने खुद बोली कि 1% की चीज़ें हैं. एंड आई थिंक मनोज सर का उस टाइम पे डिसीजन मेकिंग, ऑल्सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ माई वाइफ हाउ शी थॉट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स, so I think that made a very pivotal difference. And complications were quite serious ones. ऐसा नहीं था कि छोटा मोटा था. So I think in terms of competency एक बात है, but thinking on your feet जो चाहिए, आपको literally 15-20 मिनट में solutions निकालना है. I was super impressed with Dr. Manoj Srivastava, and उनके साथ सुशील सर ने जो मेरी साइकोलॉजी मैनेज की. आई मीन रात के 12:30 बजे हो, रात के कितने भी बजे हो, ही वॉज ऑलवेज देयर. मतलब मुझे लगा था कि मैं अपने टाइप के लोगों के साथ ये ऑलमोस्ट प्रोजेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. एंड द गुड पार्ट इज दे वर सो ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज मुझे पसंद है ना, आप मुझे सामने से बोलो कि ये है, आप मुझे शुगर कोटिंग मत करो. सो आई थिंक दे अंडरस्टूड दैट. एंड द ICU हियर, मतलब मैंने खाली सुना था एक बार, मनोज सर ने मुझे बोला था कि पुणे का बेस्ट लिवर ट्रांसप्लांट का ICU रूबी हॉल में है. एंड जिस तरीके से मतलब सर रन करते हैं, इट इज़ एग्जाम्पलरी. मतलब ये टीम जो हमने चूज़ की, आई वुड नॉट हैव चेंज दिस टीम एट ऑल. सो दोनों डॉक्टर्स के लिए मेरी जो इज्जत है, एंड फॉर दीज थिंग, मतलब लीडरशिप जो होते हैं, वन कैन बी अ ग्रेट डॉक्टर एंड नॉट अ ग्रेट लीडर. बट सुशील सर हैज़ बीन सच अ ग्रेट लीडर. उनके आजू बाजू लोग रैली करते हैं, वो खुद साइकोलॉजी समझते हैं ICU पेशेंट की. सो आई थिंक दीज टू थिंग्स हैव बीन truly remarkable.
Yes.
What do you say?
Absolutely, I completely agree. So I didn't have to look much when we had decided that Ravi needs a liver transplant. There were a few doctors that we had shortlisted on, and Manoj sir's name was on one of the top, and we just stuck to it. We just decided that we will go ahead with that and we will not change. रवि के कंडीशन काफ़ी क्रिटिकल होती गई ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ लास्ट 2 years, but by God's grace and by the constant support of Dr. Manoj and the team, we got the correct transplant at the correct time, and the surgery went uneventful, which was brilliant, because in his case there were so many complications and pre-existing conditions that we were worried about, but everything was handled in a very very professional manner. एंड लाइक ही सेड, दो चीज़ें जो हमको बहुत अच्छी लगी एज द फैमिली ऑफ द पेशेंट, जो मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, कि both Dr. Manoj and Dr. Sushil would always explain everything with full honesty, with full clarity, and even the steps forward. What plan do they have in mind? What is it that they want to do? What change will that make or not make? Everything was explained with such clarity and such honesty that it was very very heartening. You know, even as a progress, we knew exactly what is going on. There was no fear at any point. Even when there were complications, we knew we were in good hands, in the best hands. And it was a very how should I say, not a clinical approach towards the patient, but a very humane approach towards the patient, which was the best part. The nursing staff was extremely warm, extremely caring, and they were all right on track with everything that was happening on a day-to-day basis. Which again, the credit goes to great leadership by Sushil sir and Manoj sir. Both the teams were working in tandem without any confusion, without any complications, and I have seen both the doctors since he was inside the ICU, I was outside the ICU for all the 26 days that we were here. But I have seen the doctors come in on Sundays, on holidays, stay till 12:30 in the night, come for a review at 11:30, 11:45 in the night. Every day, every time that there was a requirement, they were there. And that was, what built our strength day by day. So in spite of the complications, I think we came out a winner because of that excellent team and their management.
और ये तो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है एंड आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड शेयर इट, बट आई थिंक आई शुड जस्ट शेयर इट इन क्लोजिंग ऑफ कोर्स कि इतनी सारी कोइंसिडेंसेस टू हैपन. ऑफ कोर्स there is competency and talent, right? But so many people that we have not kind of mentioned, family, otherwise. इतना सारा coincidence मेरे साथ हुआ है for me to be here, that for the first time I feel कि मेरे बाजू में while the test, like when the struggle was going on, it was God testing you, and it has just turned me into a firm believer कि भैया भगवान पे छोड़ दो. And that has given me the biggest takeaway for me apart from the surgeries. It's given me so much of clarity for rest of my life in terms of things I have to worry about. I think I kind of connected somewhere during all of this ordeal. And because आप भगवान बोलो, कोई भी बोलो, I mean so many people being in your lives to make it happen is not a one man's task. So extreme amount of gratitude to everybody who has been involved, and I think that's about it.
Thank you for everything.